Welcome guys, so today I am with this rugged Motorola Defy 2021 and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. So at the first, I think that we can start from the volume buttons that we can find right here. So when you click on the volume up or volume down, you will be able to take photos the same way like tapping on this shutter. When you click and hold on the shutter, you will be able to take series of the photos. And the same when you click volume up or down button. And the next tip will be about the brightness adjustment. So as you can see, when we tap on the screen, we will get this slider and we can go for the plus 2 or minus 2 value. And that's how we can make it manually. Automatically, we can just tap on the screen and it will be automatically set up. Okay, so right now let's go forward. We can tap right here to enable 3 or 10 seconds camera timer, and this option will be useful for you when you want to, for example, take the group photos with your friends and you have to use a tripod or any stand on your phone. Next we can go for the settings, because right here we'll find also a couple of useful options, like for example tap anywhere to capture. So right now we'll be able to click on the screen and also take photos. When you click and hold, you will also enable the series of the photos. You are also able to activate leveler and camera grid lines. As you can see right now, it appears on the screen. And they help us, these lines help us to take better composition on the photos. When you tap on this place, we can, for example, enter for spot color. So there is the mode, the spot color. So right now, all we have to do, we have to tap to select a color that we want to keep on our preview. So I want to keep this one. So I have to click like that, and as you can see, other color disappear. It goes to the black and the white. And here we can set the intensity of this filter. So for example, when you take a look right here on this blue paint, I want to remove it, and to make it I just have to a little bit move this slider to the left side, and that's how we can get rid of other colors. As you can see, there's the only one. To take photo, just tap on the shutter. Okay, and I think that's all for this Motorola Defy 2021, this big rugged phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.